name is Harsha. I'm going to show you how to make a boom barrel and its concept. The concept is that when you change your switch, the change your switch changes the polarity of the voltage applied to the motor. Now, if you notice this, the changer switch will make the motor go that side and this side, like this. Now, I'm going to show you how to make this. Things you'll need: 6 mm wood, cardboard sheet, a changer switch, and clamp and motor, and one wheel, and help of your parents and other tools required. First, you make markings of the wood like this. In the wood, one slot should be a square and another slot should be a rectangle. Now, fix the clamp in the wood and fix the motor and cut a sheet of cardboard, then fix it to the wheel with tape. Then you fix the changer switch beside the motor pole and wire it up. Then add the batteries and see whether it works. Now add colors after it dries and paint it beautifully. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.